Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming power and connectivity so the update won't be interrupted. Open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Note the exact adapter name and vendor. Once noted, check the manufacturer site for the latest driver that matches your OS and adapter model. If you can't access the web from this machine, download the driver on another device and transfer it via USB. Make sure the file is correct. Mismatches cause failures. Now you'll install the driver. Right-click the adapter in Device Manager and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the folder with the downloaded files or run the manufacturer's installer if provided. If prompted, pick the specific. In File so Windows uses the correct package. This avoids generic drivers. During installation, watch for prompts to replace or keep settings. Choose Replace if recommended. Reboot when finished to load the new driver into the system. Finish by restarting your PC so the new driver initializes properly. Then check network and internet settings to confirm wireless connects and signal strength. If you lose connectivity or see errors, immediately open Device Manager, go to the adapter's properties, and use Rollback Driver to return to the previous version. If Rollback isn't available, boot into safe mode with networking and reinstall the driver, or use the manufacturer's recovery tool. One key tip: keep the old driver file until you verify stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.